Dear colleagues and friends, on behalf of the organizing committee, the Emirates Intensive Care Society and the International Pan-Arab Critical Care Medicine Society, it's my honor and pleasure to announce and welcome you all to the coming Emirates Critical Care Conference. It's the 15th and it's going to be between 4th and 6th April, and as we always promised and did, it will be a very rich program running over 10 tracks and more than 6 courses and workshops. Looking forward to see you on that day. It's the 4th to 6th April and you are all welcome. Looking forward to see you. Thank you.